Can a plant-based diet cure acid reflux? Do you occasionally get unpleasant acid reflux and heartburn? The official word for recurrent acid reflux that occurs more than twice a week is GERD, and adopting a plant-based diet may provide some relief from the condition. When the lower esophageal sphincter does not close or constrict as it should, it results in GERD. When you swallow, the lower esophageal sphincter should expand and relax before closing after you have finished eating. The hydrochloric acid from your stomach migrates back up into your esophagus when the esophageal sphincter remains open, resulting in a burning and painful sensation. Unpleasant symptoms including frequent throat clearing, coughing, and a persistent sore throat can also be brought on by GERD. The best strategy to lessen the symptoms of acid reflux is to adopt a plant-based lifestyle, such as a vegetarian or vegan diet, or even a Mediterranean eating lifestyle. The focus of a plant-based diet is on whole, unprocessed plant foods, such as grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. In a recent research, eating a Mediterranean diet decreased acid reflux symptoms by around 40%, compared to eating a conventional diet and using proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, which are frequently found as over-the-counter heartburn medications like Prilosec, Prevacid, and Nexium. PPIs are beneficial in treating chronic acid reflux diseases such as GERD and acid reflux. However, research indicates there may be dangers associated with using them. PPIs should not be taken for an extended period of time due to their negative health consequences, which include dementia, blood medication interference, decrease in bone mineral density, and the advancement of renal disease. It's been found that those with acid reflux who followed a plant-based diet rich in whole grains, legumes, nuts, and fruits saw a 63% reduction in symptoms after just 6 weeks. It's been shown that a plant-based diet is superior than over-the-counter medicine in terms of effectiveness. In addition to a plant-based diet, you should also eat small, frequent meals throughout the day to help reduce symptoms. Avoiding trigger foods like chocolate, caffeine, and oily or spicy meals is another way to stop the acid reflux. Focus on whole, minimally processed fruits and vegetables, whole grains, nuts and seeds, and legumes like beans and lentils to achieve a plant-based diet. The Mediterranean diet may serve as a starting point for those who are new to plant-based eating and is a fantastic way to move away from a more typical, meat-heavy American diet. Here are some plant-based eating tips to help get rid of acid reflux. Use olive oil for cooking. Using extra virgin olive oil for both cooking and dressing salads is a great idea. Compared to other vegetable oils, it has undergone less processing and has a healthy balance of fats. Consume more vegetables. Green vegetables, olives, avocados, tomatoes, mushrooms, carrots, eggplant, onions, garlic, and bell peppers are some of the Mediterranean superfoods that are readily available and simple to cook. Be aware that tomatoes can cause acid reflux in some people. Make sure to include fruit. Fruit with a fibrous skin, like berries, apples, and pomegranate seeds, is the ideal sweet complement to a balanced diet. Additionally, bananas are simple to digest and rich in healthy electrolytes. Citrus fruits are suggested because of their high vitamin C antioxidant content, but for some individuals they can cause acid reflux. Don't forget the fiber. This eating style heavily emphasizes the consumption of whole grains, legumes, and other plant-based foods high in fiber, such as lentils, beans, and chickpeas. Select healthy fats wisely. Focus on healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olives when choosing healthy fats to include in your meals. Choose alternatives to dairy made from plants. Milk, cheese, and yogurt made from plant sources that have been fortified are great sources of calcium and vitamin D. Add more plant protein. To reach your protein requirements, try including beans and lentils, almonds, and soy foods. Another source of protein and fiber are seeds, particularly flax, chia, and pumpkin. Ensure proper hydration. Drink water to stay hydrated, and avoid consuming caffeine-containing beverages. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.